today's video, I'm going to show you how I did my hair today. I love to go on Pinterest or Instagram or even other YouTube videos and watch how people do hairstyles. And I'm like, ugh, I need to try to do some of these hairstyles because I gotta switch it up. So in today's video, you're gonna see how I did this cute little style. Like, come on now, you know this is cute, right? So stay tuned and let's see how I did it. All right, guys, so here we have the Release My Curls Detangler and my detangling brush. And of course, my handy dandy spritz bottle, which I absolutely love. Yeah, I'm going a little crazy with it, but that's okay. I want to get my hair nice and moisturized with some water. This hairstyle is from a couple days ago, and I just want to refresh it. I don't necessarily want to rewash my hair because it's still pretty clean, and I really like to keep the moisture in my hair to do another hairstyle. So yeah, I'm going cray-cray. All right, so as you can see, I have the Release My Curls Detangler in my hand, which is nice and rich and creamy. I absolutely love this because not only does it detangle my hair, but it also hydrates it, and I like to use it as a leave-in conditioner. Yeah, I just really like the feel of this conditioner in my hair, and as you can see, I am just making sure that I get every section as much as possible to make sure that I rehydrate my tresses for this next hairstyle. Yep, I'm getting more. This is, of course, way more than a dime size, so it is great that this product actually comes in an 8-ounce jar. And I'm just gonna respritz my hair again, so then that way I can go ahead and get it detangled with my detangling brush. As you can see right here, I'm just going through this part of my hair in the front that I'm gonna style. I love this brush. It's also on Flourishing Tresses website. This brush is so amazing. Like, I used to be in love with the Denman brush, and don't get me wrong, I still love it. But this one, oh my gosh, look at that. I cannot even believe how easily I'm able to detangle my hair with this. And also, it's a little bit easier to clean up because it's separated bristles, which is really nice. I found with the Denman brush, I would get a lot of product stuck under the bristles of the Denman brush. So I'm just going to detangle. All right, so right now I have my hair pretty much detangled, at least in the front, because that's where I'm going to be switching up the style. And I'm just going through and I'm going to be parting my hair in 3 separate sections. So then that way I can do the Bantu knots in the front for this lovely hairstyle. All right, so in this part, you can see that I am going to be dividing my hair and parting it into 3 sections, making sure that I detangle each section individually and smooth them out to put them into the 3 parts. So then that way I can have my Bantu knots that you will see that I'm going to do. So I'm going to now braid every section of my hair, making sure that I get the tips. As you can see, my hair is so long. Oh my gosh, I can't even remember the last time I braided it this long. It looks like a very skinny braid only because this is a small section of my hair. My hair is not relaxed, as you can tell, but anytime you part your hair in a small section and your hair is wet, obviously it's gonna look just a little bit skinnier, but for the purposes of this hairstyle, it actually works. So you'll see that I'm just gonna go through each section, parting it and making sure I put it in a ponytail holder and then braiding it up. Yes, girl, get them parts. I think I have to practice doing my parts a little bit neater, but you know, hey, I'm not a hairstylist, I'm just trying. So right here, as you can see, I am just braiding each of these sections up and I'm going to put them into Bantu knots, which I like to braid my hair and then put it in Bantu knots. I find that the style holds a little bit longer than if I just did my hair loose and then put it in the Bantu knots, but obviously you can decide what works best for your hair. But yeah, this is pretty much how I do my Bantu knots, even if I was just gonna do them around my entire head. All right, so as you can see, I have my Bantu knots together. I wanted to fix that one. And I am using our Curl Formation hair gel, which I absolutely love to get them edges, girl. Yes, smooth it out. Make sure that everything is looking tight and right. I want to make sure that I get even the little hair on this side. I like to curl that. You know, you got to just play with your hair and see what works for the style that you're trying to create. So I went in with the little brush right here for the edge control. As you can see, I have just some gel still on the actual Bantu knot, which I will take care of here in just a second. This is all about smoothing out the hair, and I would highly suggest that if you want your hair to be really smoothed out, just kind of maybe putting a scarf or something over top of the hair once you get it together in order to set the style. But yeah, this is the part where you can kind of play with it. I'm not as creative as some people that are with their edges, but you know, a girl does what she does and it works for me. But obviously this is the point of the hairstyle where you can kind of just make it your own and have fun with it. Right now I am just going to let my tresses free, so then that way I can finish out the style with, of course, my favorite hair spritzer. And I'm just gonna go ahead and get that re-wetted, and I am going to finish it out with putting some more detangler in it. As you can see, this is just to kind of define the curls in the back of my hair. You can do what I like to call, I think they say like the pray method or something like that, which is typically the method you use for wash and goes. There is a point where I like to also do some finger coils throughout so that it's just like a mix of my textures. This is just the part where you can kind of make it your own, whatever works for your hair. I really actually like this style because it's great for almost any length. So even if you've just done the big chop, it'll work. Right here, you can see I'm just putting in some cufflinks, which are also found on Flourishing Tresses website. These are the silver ones, and This is also a point where you can just kind of make it your own. You can put them wherever you want, even if you have some other decorative hair pieces that you want to put instead, that'll work as well. But I really like this hairstyle because you can kind of make it your own and it's really fun. You can switch out the cuffs to be even like the gunmetal or the gold, depending on what you want to wear it for. But here we are, final results. What do you think? All right, she is done. I am ready to stay in the house because I am living the quarantine life in 2020, but she is still cute for the selfies for the gram. So make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe. You can find all the products on Flourishing Tresses website. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.